A custom bin housing the transitions and effects you use most will save you time. Head to the Effects tab and click New Custom Bin. Click and type to name your bin. Search for regularly used transitions and effects here in the search bar, then click and drag these into your custom bin. I'm just adding a dip to black, additive dissolve and constant gain for now, but I could add anything else I use regularly too. To apply a transition, click and drag from the Effects tab to the relevant clip on the timeline. Transitions only latch on when hovered at the end or beginning of a clip, as this is where a transition can occur, whereas effects apply to a clip as a whole. Ensure any titles start after a transition is complete. This is where the attention to detail comes into play. Alter the duration of transitions by hovering over the end of the transition and clicking and dragging to trim or extend the transition length. Play this back and ensure you're happy with the results.